My name's Jonathan Lang with the Knopf Academy. We all know that adding insulation is the best thing that you can do to your home to make it more energy efficient, lower your utility bills, and make it more comfortable. But I wanted to take just a minute to give you some tips and tricks that you can do yourself around your house to make it more energy efficient. Now, when it comes to HVAC systems, the one thing that you can do, I just got a notification on my phone that it was time for me to change my filter from my smart thermostat. So, let's see why I got that notification. And now I can see why I got that notification. This is the old filter, this is the new clean filter that I'm getting ready to put in. So one of my favorite energy efficiency upgrades is actually what I call a 2-for-1. So when it comes to the light that you see above me, that is a can light. Almost every home has them, and they're usually on the top floor, which means that they are directly connected to the attic space. The problem with these lights is they're not air sealed and they're not resistant to air movement through them. So in the summer months, hot air pushes down into the living space, and in the winter months, air that you pay for pushes out of the living space. So you can switch over to an LED bulb, or you can go ahead and make the upgrade to an LED retrofit that gives you not only air sealing to the drywall, saving that infiltration and exfiltration from occurring. You also get the benefit of reduced usage, and these last about 20 years as well. To help with proper distribution of air in the home, you want the fan to spin clockwise in the winter months and counterclockwise in the summer months. And there's usually a switch that's located right on the side of the fan.